Hello everyone. Today we are going to teach the magnetic properties of material. Fourth property, that is the magnetic susceptibility. This magnetic susceptibility, it is defined as the ratio of magnetic intensity of magnetization induced in the magnetic substance to the intensity of magnetizing field. It is denoted by chi. So according to the definition, the magnetic susceptibility we can define it is a ratio of intensity of magnetization induced in the magnetic substance. It is represented by capital M, and intensity of magnetizing field it is represented by capital H. Therefore we can write magnetic susceptibility is equal to chi is equal to capital M divided by capital H. Now this is the characteristics of material. Magnetic susceptibility is a characteristics of that magnetic material, and for given material it is also depends upon the temperature of material. Therefore according to this equation which is studied in the previous property permeability, the equation 2.42, that is mu h equal to mu 0 in bracket h plus m. So this equation, if we transfer mu 0 on left side, we get mu divided by mu 0 into h is equal to h plus m. Now here the term mu divided by mu 0 is equal to k, that is relative permeability of this material. Therefore instead of mu divided by mu 0 we can write k, and therefore the term becomes k into h equal to h plus m. Now again transfer capital H on RHS side, therefore we get k is equal to 1 plus m divided by h, and this m divided by h is nothing but magnetic susceptibility of the material, and therefore we can write k is equal to 1 plus chi, or if we transfer k or minus 1 on LHS side, we get chi is equal to k minus 1. Therefore we can say that magnetic susceptibility is less than k, that means the relative permeability. That means magnetic susceptibility is equal to relative permeability minus 1. So this is the fourth property, magnetic property of material, that is the magnetic susceptibility. This magnetic susceptibility is nothing but the ratio of m divided by h, and here m is the intensity of magnetization induced in the magnetic substance due to the applied magnetic intensity of the magnetic field, that is represented by capital H. So in this way we are studied the magnetic properties of material, that is nothing but magnetic induction represented by B, capital B, magnetic intensity, that is represented by capital M, equivalence between a magnetic shell and current loop, permeability of the material, and now today we are uh, learn the magnetic susceptibility. So this magnetic susceptibility it is also related to the relative permeability as K is equal to 1 plus chi, or we can relate the magnetic susceptibility with relative permeability chi is equal to K minus 1. So these are the magnetic properties of the material. In the next lecture we are going to discuss brief introduction of diamagnetic material, paramagnetic material and ferromagnetic materials. So these are the three types of material and their properties we are going to discuss on the next lecture. Thank you.